Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making chop for my birds. They're off screen over there. Before we get started, can you guys guess what this is? Any hints? It's like right here. I just cut little slices off. Any of you got it? It's an apple. So we're going to be using apples, celery, lettuce, and 3 different kinds of seed. I can't believe I forgot that. Okay, this is the bird's regular seed. I'm just going to be adding it because they like this seed. This is a zucchini, I want to say bell pepper. It's a bell pepper, a little tomato, some sweet potato, and some shredded, I don't know, I believe iceberg lettuce. Anyway, before we get started, I just wanted to say thanks for watching this video, and make sure you please subscribe and like. I really want to get to 10 subscribers. I know that's just like one of those silly hopes that you see on first beginners. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, I've already arranged the supplies you're gonna need. The fruits and vegetables, well, mostly vegetables. What you're gonna need is a knife, a bowl, and a spoon to complete this process. Also, wait until this is a baked sweet potato. My mom just kinda ran this through the microwave a few times, but I'm waiting for that to cool down, so this will be our very last item. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is slice up all your vegetables so we can set these seeds aside. Okay, guys, my mom said to cut it open, so I'm just gonna follow what she says. Just kind of like... Okay. Okay, guys, after following what mom said, I decided to scoop out the potato, put it in a glass jar, and let it cool down for like 5 minutes. Quickly. Dump that in there. Put on the lid. Plug it in. Oh, okay, that scared me. Okay. The final piece at the top, which I don't think I need. Oh, I scared the bird. No need to be scared. That time. There you go. Don't worry, I added zucchini. Don't worry. Okay. Now that it almost looks good, I just have to scrape it down a little bit. And then should be ready to give to the birds. I believe it's done. Let's put them into bowls and add the seed. Okay guys, I put it all into a bowl. Now we're gonna scoop a little bit of this into their food dish. I don't believe I'm gonna do the time lapse of the bowl, but this has been my video of just putting in all the stuff. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put this in the bowl, like in a medium quantity, because they probably won't eat it all because they aren't used to chop. This is my first time making chop, and it came out pretty good. But you're gonna wanna add seeds like in quantities, so you're gonna like put this in their food dish, add a little bit of seeds. I'm gonna add a little bit of their own bird seed and 2 new bird seed. Well, not bird seed, just seed. And I'm gonna see you later. This has been my video of making chop for my cockatiels. Here. the birds. They've been watching here. I hope they give this one of my worthiest tries of making this, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay guys, just one more thing. My mom has basically helped me out through all my videos and has got me the camera and the computer to load them up. Make sure to go check out my brother's channel, Gray, and my mom actually has a channel, Savannah Skiles. Make sure to go check it out. Please subscribe to her, my brother, and me. Make sure to like, comment, and have a great day.